In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import existing workflows into Airtable. First, open Airtable on your desktop and sign in so you can access your workspaces. We'll start by creating a new base, which is just Airtable's term for a database. Click Add a Base, then choose Import a Spreadsheet if you're bringing in an existing file or table. If you'd rather build everything by hand later, you can pick Start from scratch, but importing gives you a strong head start when migrating a workflow. Next, decide where your current workflow lives. Airtable can pull from Excel or CSV files, Google Sheets, or even other Airtable bases. Choose the source that actually contains your current tasks, projects, or process steps so your structure carries over cleanly. Now connect to that source. For Excel or CSV, click Upload File and select the file from your computer. For Google Sheets, connect your Google account and pick the sheet that matches your workflow. If you're importing from Airtable, select the base and table you want to bring in. Give Airtable a moment to scan the data and set up the preview. Before you import, review how fields are mapped. Airtable attempts to match your columns to appropriate field types, like single line text, single select, date, or checkbox. This is a great time to clean up labels, ensure date fields are recognized as dates, and set a single select for statuses such as to do, in progress, or done. Small tweaks here will save time later and make your workflow more consistent. When everything looks right, click Import. Airtable will create your tables and populate them with your records. Take a quick pass through the imported data to confirm it transferred correctly, checking field types, record counts, and any special characters or formatting. With your data in, organize it so it mirrors your real workflow. Rename tables and fields to use clear, actionable names. If your process spans multiple tables, add linked records to reflect relationships, like tasks linked to projects or owners. If you'd like to follow along hands-on, use the link at the top of the description to import your own workflow step by step. To make your workflow immediately actionable, create a few practical views. A Today or Current Tasks view helps you focus on what needs attention now. An Upcoming or Pending Items view surfaces what's next. A Completed or Done view preserves history without cluttering your active boards. Finally, maintain your workflow, update tasks and tables daily, and check linked records and overall progress periodically to keep everything organized and trustworthy. That's how you can import existing workflows into Airtable and start managing them effectively. Thanks for watching.